teacher.
Ano yan? Basa dyan. Ako nang ulit, teacher. Tapos bibilang ako ha, tapos magsulat ha. So, ready?
Ako yung teacher.
Teacher. Ready, get set. Ready, get set. Go!
By the time she catches sight of her son, it is already too late. When she's about to go after him, she sees the CEO pick up her son. To make matters worse, the child calls out Papa to the CEO.
Basag!
Ano yun? Drug and ended up sleeping with the CEO, resulting in a
Nabasag ata.
Ang alin?
Langgana ata.
Ay, nako.
orchestrated the incident. Since then, the CEO
Takan yan.
Okay, so may tanong ako. Natakan ko eh. So may tanong ako. Raise your hand. Bakit ba kailangan natin na maging mabait na bata? Raise your hand. Sino? Ako po. Oh, Bryce. Para hindi magalit si nanay, dapat makinig. Okay, kailangan daw nating makinig. So bigyan natin ng ng fireworks clap. Clap fireworks. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ito po na. Thank you, Teacher Aya. Okay, so burahin natin ito. Thank you, Teacher Iya. Ako naman, Grace. So, magmamat na tayo. Mat na tayo. Last, ha? Mat. Last. Kunyari na brown out daw. Nagulat daw ikaw. Oh? Uy. Nag-brown out? Ay, thank you, Teacher Iya. Yo, nag-brown out na naman?